In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make body moisturizer, petroleum jelly, or popularly called the Vaseline. First ingredient to go in is my 1 kg petroleum jelly. I've turned my burner very low. Hello, this is Creative Crochet. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that now by pressing the subscribe button. You can also share the video to other people. The next ingredient to go in is my paraffin oil. I have 500 ml of paraffin oil in this silver bottle. Make sure you pour in the oil and stir it properly to combine. Make sure it is well combined before you add the next ingredient. Now, I have been making this Vaseline for my children for the past 6 years, and since then I've not been buying any petroleum jelly for them. I usually make my own, and I have a special ingredient that I had to eat, which most of these social media content creator doesn't usually put in their home. And also, I don't use wax as well. I don't use candle wax. I don't like candle wax inside my children's I use only the petroleum jelly, the paraffin oil. They had any other ingredients apart from others, paraffin oil and petroleum jelly. Our body moisturizer is now ready, and I've turned off the cooker. It is time to add our vitamin E. I have 15 ml of vitamin E here. Vitamin E, primarily, it's used to moisturize dry skin. It protects the skin. It hydrates the skin and fights free radical damage and supports the skin barrier. It softens dry skin and helps lock in vital hydration. It also suits irritated or wind exposed skin and helps minimize the looks of scars and fine lines on the body. So you see, instead of using glycerin, I prefer to use vitamin E because I like what it does to the body. The next thing to add to our petroleum jelly is the fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice, but in this video normally I use baby pears, and it's very, very nice. It smells just like the normal baby pears cream that we buy in the market. So it's very, very nice. You can choose to do your own thing. You can make your own petroleum jelly or body moisturizer at a low cost, and you can also do it and turn it to a small scale business at home. Maybe you are staying at home mom. This is a good opportunity to start doing something at home. The next thing is to make sure that your container is well sterilized, washed, clean and sterilize it before you put in anything into container, so it doesn't contaminate your beautiful petroleum jelly. So now it's cooled down and we can start putting them in a container. Make sure it is properly cooled and solidify a little, because if it is well solidified, you won't get that smooth and silky look if you allow it to solidify properly before you put them in the container. Now pack them in the container of your choice and allow it to cool properly and solidified before use. If you have decided to turn this to a good business, a small business at home, make sure you get a very attractive container. Package your products properly. Make sure it's attractive and it will be well received by customers. And thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that now. Like and share the videos to other people. Thank you. I also want to thank you for being the subscribers on this channel. I'm grateful, and I'm sorry for being away for too long on this channel. I recently came back after a 13 years that I've disappeared on YouTube. And not that I disappeared totally, but I wasn't posting because I had issue with my channel. I will make a video to talk about that. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe. You're welcome if you're a new subscriber on this channel. God bless you, and feel free to check other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.